Today we're talking about a new tank bag for the Triumph Rocket 3 GT. The current one we have had some issues and we needed to replace her, so we're going to do an unboxing video. So let's get into this. Our current Revzilla tank bag that we've used for, well, quite some time on our Triumph Thruxton and now our Rocket 3 GT has had some issues with the zipper. It's made it hard to open and close since last year. So, and this one too doesn't carry as much as we'd like it to. So we have upgraded to the new Triumph Rocket 3 GT tank bag. It's a Triumph specific product. So let's get into unboxing it right now. Piper, your part number is SILLY. Alright, so what we have here is part number A9518171. It's the R3 magnetic tank bag, and you can see here that the price says $201.40, but I actually got this for $161 out the door by going to the dealer saying I needed one, letting them order it, then they gave me a price break. So I prefer that over using the Triumph website. So that's a top tip right now before we complete this unboxing video. You know, order it through the dealer. The only thing is that when it comes in, you have to pick it up at the dealer. But hey man, that's okay. It gives you a chance to go in and see what bikes they got. And obviously, Detroit Triumph. Okay, well, really nice outer box, right? And like I said, I picked this up at the Triumph dealer, and it took about 2 weeks to get, which is respectable given COVID, right? And everything else that's going on. Just want to be careful there. So kind of exciting. So the capacity of this tank bag is 11 liters. It retails for $190 on the internet. And give you a look inside there. There's a cardboard thingamajig. There it is right there. Okay. So I got it, like I said, out the door for $161.20. I'll discard of the box. Pretty nice. Okay, and it is magnetic. So 11 liters to me means, you know, it'll hold a camera or two and some other stuff, right? So I did hesitate on buying this when we bought the Rocket new back in 2020, and kind of should have bought this sooner. Get rid of this, right? And here it is, right here. You've got your phone case right here. Here's your magnetic stuff right here. The magnets are right there. And let me get this away. Let me open it up. Nice leather, high quality feel to it. And if you've got a Rocket GT or a Rocket R, there it is right there. Here's the inside of it, right? So very easily I could put 2 cameras in here, which was my main goal, and GoPro stuff or whatever. And there's a case right here. Let's see what's there. Okay, more packing stuff. So here it is. So here's the old one, which is going away. Like I had said, there was a rip in here causing issues when zippering. So I'll set that there. I just want you to see here too inside the bag. This is a really neat feature. This operates like a dry bag, right? Everything goes in here to increase the protection of what you're carrying from the elements. This straps and everything, like I said earlier, but this here just rolls up, right? Whatever you put in the bag goes like that. And then here you've got extra pouches, right? Zippered pouches. So I'll unzip. There you go. Not so bad. This one's more like a mesh one right here. You can see right there. And I think there's a larger one right here that you can do this to. Come around. And you've got this right here too. So not so bad. And that's where your phone goes into right there. So overall, a very high quality motorcycle tank bag, right? So just another good view of the Triumph Rocket 3 GT tank bag on the bike right there, right? There you go, and then back it up a bit. Get more of a profile. All right, there you go. So here's one of our cameras, right? Our Canon, right? And it'll go right in here. Bingo. There you go. And still have tons of room. Pretty darn nice. And here's a side profile a bit here. And so far, you know, I envision this bag to work out real well for us, and using it on the Rocket 3 GT. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Again, our top tips are to go through the dealer, order through the dealer, and at that point the dealer can discount it for you before you pay for it, versus waiting for it to go on sale online at the Triumph website. And it's specifically designed for the Rocket 3 GT. I can see that right here. And 11 liters, and you know, looks like it's going to work out really well for on down the road productions. Let me say thank you so much for tuning in for another episode. We're grateful for everybody. Anyone who subscribes, likes, or shares, hits that notorious notification bell. We say thank you. So keep burning down the road. Like we always say, if you get knocked down, get back up and keep moving forward. And until next time, we'll see everybody next episode on Down the Road. Salute.